Here is a question. Read it carefully and think about the answer. Let us solve it step by step. Let us first understand the key concept here. IUPAC nomenclature of polyhydric phenols, diols on a benzene ring. Moving on to the next step. Identify the compound. The structure shows a benzene ring with 2 hydroxyl or groups on adjacent carbons, positions 1 and 2, making it a benzene diol, catechol. Moving on to the next step. Apply IUPAC rules. When naming benzene derivatives with multiple identical substituents, the parent chain is benzene and the suffix diol is used for 2 OH groups. The locants 1 and 2 indicate the positions of the 2 OH groups. Therefore, the IUPAC name is benzene 1,2 diol. And for the final step. A. 2-hydroxybenzenol, incorrect. Benzenol is not a valid IUPAC parent name and this format is not standard. B. 1,2-dihydroxybenzene. This is a common substitutive name but not the preferred IUPAC name. The preferred IUPAC format uses the diol suffix rather than dihydroxy prefix. C. Benzene 1,2 diol, correct. This follows the preferred IUPAC nomenclature where benzene is the parent and 1,2 diol indicates 2 OH groups at positions 1 and 2. D. 2-hydroxyphenol, incorrect. Phenol as parent implies 1 OH is already part of the parent name, but this usage is a retained trivial name format and not the preferred IUPAC name for this compound. Therefore, the correct answer is C. Therefore, the correct answer is option C.